Hello, my dear students and aspirants. In last video, I did practice test on articles A and D. But on request of students and aspirants, today also I'll do some more practice tests. So look at these sentences, supply and D in the blanks in the following. He plays guitar. Before names of all musical instruments like guitar, sitar, harmonium, lute, anything that will be definite article that the comes before use before any musical instrument use the. So he plays the guitar. Now look at sentence number 2. Give it to blank a student waiting outside. So this refers not to general, not a student in common. Don't give it to any student. Give it only to the student waiting outside. So this here a definite, exact, accurate student referred. Give it to the student waiting outside. So give it to the student waiting outside. Now, why the? Because it talks about a particular student, exact, definite student, not to any student, but the particular student who is waiting outside. Similarly, take more examples here, like he is cadet. Her father is blank, honorable man. Blank, United India can prosper faster. He is one-eyed man. Milk is sold by. So let's do these sentences. Sentence number 3. 2 already have been done. Now sentence number 3. He is blank NCC cadet. So what article should be used here? An NCC. Why? Because the initial sound is vowel sound A, NCC. But if it is say she is here also N, here also N. Just compare, contrast. Here she is blank neighbor. This N produces at the initial position consonantal sound. So here it will be A. This example I am giving so that you don't get confused. There shouldn't be any confusion. It should be clear to you. When N, M, S, etc. produces, especially in abbreviation it happens, initial sound, vowel sound, then N will come. But when same letter here does not produce vowel sound, here it is purely consonantal sound, then A will come. Like she is a neighbor, not an neighbor, but he is an NCC. So here A sound is coming, N. N, C, C, cadet. So he is an NCC cadet because of this sound, a sound coming in initial position. Now look at sentence number 4. Her father is honorable man. This H is here, but the correct pronunciation is honorable, not honorable. Often people mispronounce. This H is silent, so it's honorable. Honorable. So O is what? Vowel sound. This is why here it will be N, not A, because it's not honorable. Had it been honorable, then A would have come, but honorable, wrong. It's not correct pronunciation. It's honorable because initial H is silent, hence N is justified. Her father is an honorable man. Next, sentence number 5. United India can prosper fast. So, united. What will you use here between A and say? So, this United India. U equal to U, consonantal sound. I have been repeating in almost every video on use of articles and while doing test also in the last video. So, it should be a united India can prosper faster. A united India can prosper faster. So if people of India keep on quarreling, fighting in the name of religion, community, ethics, castes, tribes, then it will hamper the progress of the nation. This is why a united India can prosper faster. India first. Next, he is one-eyed man. So here one. When O is equal to wo, one, not on, one, then wo is also consonantal sound. Even if O, the later, the phoneme is a vowel, it is producing wo sound, that is consonantal sound. But when it is onion, say, compare onion, what will come before this onion? An onion. He gave me an onion, because here the sound is onion. Likewise, say orange. What will come here? An orange, because here O is producing onion, or here it is producing, O is producing O, like orange, ornament. This is, in this situation, vowel sound, hence it will be preceded by an. ये क्लियर हो जाना है. बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स और एस्पिरेंट्स ऐसा भी कहते हैं कि सर बीच बीच में हिंदी भी बोलने से ठीक है, ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. तो चलो मैं आप लोगों के कन्वीनियंस के लिए थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी भी अब मिक्स करूंगा. जैसे यहाँ ऑनियन, ऑनियन क्या है? अ साउंड, अनियन, अनियन. तो जब ओ का साउंड अ होगा तब भी एन आएगा, अनियन. जब ओ का साउंड ओ होगा, जैसे ऑर्नामेंट, ऑरेंज, तब भी एन आएगा. लेकिन जब ओ का साउंड व होगा, लाइक दिस, व इन हिंदी, सो व like one, it is not un, it is not on, it is one. So this is when O produces w sound, it is what? Consonantal sound. So here it will be a. He is a one-eyed man. He is a one-legged man, etc. Look at 7. Milk is sold by a liter, or by an liter, or by the liter. So when we talk of measurement, kilo, liter, meter, etc., then what should come here? By the liter. Milk is sold by the liter, by the meter, etc. So today this much. In the next video we will discuss some other chapter. Until then, goodbye.